Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So now we just should open the app gallery, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere, and now we should get this application. Tap to get, tap to continue, and click to download. Now just wait a little bit while application downloading on your device. Now just click here allow and tap to install. Now we can see that the Ampere app installed successfully, and let's find it here in our home screen. Let's open it, click yes, I agree, pick close, okay, again okay. And now we can see here the information with health of our device battery. In my case it's good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, just capacity, voltage, temperature, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.